Convenience is king, and at a time when proper hygiene and sanitation are more important than ever, it's nice to have everything you need to stay clean with you on the go. That's where Convenience Kits International comes in. Travel-sized products perfect for anyone who's on the move. All kits produced by our family-owned business. Our travel packs are great for nonprofits providing hygiene products to those in need. For 2 decades, we've helped religious and disaster relief organizations, nonprofits, as well as veterans and homeless outreach programs extend the reach of their good work by assembling and customizing hygiene kits. Our packs are also perfect for corporations with a traveling workforce. Convenience Kits offers a custom kit building tool for creating the perfect kit for your travels. You can choose from a wide array of bags and then fill them with your choice of shampoo, oral care, shaving, and brand name accessory items. Buy complete kits in bulk with all the essentials included, or buy single items in bulk. Choose what's right for you. Pack light, pack smart, travel on with Convenience Kits International.